Magandang gabi sa ating lahat 'no. Gusto kong pag-usapan itong panibagong strategy natin, ang Complete Entry Management Tool. This tool will enhance your capacity to trade lalo na sa pag-enter. Marami kasing management guys 'no, merong emotional management, risk management. Pero not a lot of people discuss how entry matters, why we need to have a pinpoint accuracy when it comes to trading. And I decided to create this tool para makuha natin yung pinaka-the best at pinaka-masarap na entry na kung saan never kang kakabahan at automatically the market would be in your favor. So ang inspiration behind this tool is from my student, which is Sir Maynard Timoteo. I was so amazed by his progress and he was able to achieve $1,100 at ngayon $2,400 na in just a matter of 1 week. Just imagine no, yung progress niya. Of course, may low siya, no? Parang nag-break even siya, but still, he was able to recover because he used one of the most fundamental trading tool, which is what we call the dollar cost averaging. Maraming tao ang nagsasabi na delikado ang dollar cost averaging. Kasi while the market is going down, we put entry after entry. For example, habang bumabagsak si market, naglagay ka dito ng $10. Bumagsak na naman siya, naglagay dito ng $20. Bumagsak na naman siya, naglagay ka dyan ng $30. And then later on, nung bumalik siya, nag-profit ka na here, here, and then ito, this one will be on break even. Of course, a lot of people will tell you that is very dangerous, but with our approach, let me tell you that is not dangerous. That's why I decided to create the ultimate entry management tool. So, meron lang tayong tatlong bagay na titingnan dito. First is the user section. That's why I put this icon. So, dito lang yan siya na area na kung saan ito yung mga bagay na need nating i-input. So, palitan ko lang siya ng color red. So this red section will be the area where we will input all of the data that is needed. This one is hindi mo na to siya papansinin. And lahat ng dito guys, no, naka-risk management na yan siya. So first of all, let's put our initial capital. So our initial capital is 1,000 USD. And for example lang, we entered into this trade. Ayan yung, dito tayo nag-enter ng trade. Okay, dyan tayo nag-enter ng trade. And our stop loss will be around 2.36. So, i-type mo yung stop loss mo dyan, 2.36. Since the leverage of WU USDT is up to 25, so 25 lang na ilagay natin. So, sabi sa calculator natin, what we need to expect is we will lose $50 into this trade, no? Kasi naka-calculate na yan. So, there is 3 fundamental entries na need natin titingnan dito sa calculator na to. And if you want a request, I can add another 4-way entry. Kaya ko yan siyang gawin. So, discuss muna natin ang one-way entry. Ang one-way entry is automatically si $84 yung ilalagay mo dito sa trade na yan. Okay, maglalagay ka dyan ng $84. That is one-way entry. So, 84 lang. And then, yung reward mo is based dito sa entry mo, which is $50. Nanalo ka ng 1 is to example, 1 is to 1.5, panalo ka ng $75 dito sa trade na yan. Pero if you are able to get this good entry, mas maganda yung panalo mo sa situation na to. This is around probably $200 win. That's why entry is very important. Ito yung one-way entry. Pwede nyo yan siyang sundan yung one-way entry na yan. Now, next will be the two-way entry. So, yung two-way entry, nahati yan siya sa dalawa. Hinati lang natin sa $84, 50-50. So, in the first entry, we will enter $42 right here. And then, the moment the market went down 50%, mag-add ka na naman ng another $42. So, ang nangyari ngayon, mas maganda na yung entry mo somewhere here. Add ka dito 42, and then dito 42 din. So, instead na bultuhan mo siyang nilagay na 84, ayan. Yan yung two-way entry. Second is 70-30%. Pwede mo siyang baliktarin, no? So first, we will enter $59 here. And then on the second trade, we will enter $25 here. 25. So susundan mo lang yung order by value because this will be your guide kung ano ba talaga yung need mong i-follow na when it comes to entry management. Alright? Pwede mo siyang baliktarin. Pwedeng unahin mo si 25 and next will be the 59 value. So inverse yan sa pwede mo silang baliktarin. Next is the 60-40%. So we will input $50 here in the first trade. And when the market went down or we went negative, we enter again $33. So ano bang benefit dito when we do this one? First of all, we have two fundamental profits nang kinakalculate dito. One here and then one is here. So yung risk to reward ratio natin will be much better than before kasi nakuha natin tong napakagandang entry na yan. So, ang two-way entry is already enough when you are scalping and that would really suits your need. Ang maganda dito, what if na stop loss ka? Since hindi natin bultuhan na nilagay yung $84, meron tayo ditong nilagay sa pinaka last part. If ever na ma-stop loss tayo guys, no, hindi buong $50 matatalo sa atin. It would sit around $30 to $40 lang yung matatalo sa'yo. But the risk to reward ratio is far bigger if natamaan mo siya. So that is the purpose of a two-way entry. So ikaw lang magde-decide, pwede mo tong baliktarin tong dalawa. And then yan. Next will be the three-way entry. Yung three-way entry na yan works well with our volume profile strategy. For example, ano tayo ng medyo. For example, dito right here on 1000 XU USDT perp. So sabihin natin we have a profile here. And then pwede ka mag-set ng tatlong entry, no? Pwedeng one short here. And then isang short din dito. And then isang short din dito sa taas. So tatlong entry, 1, 2, 3. So nakahati na din yan. 28, 28, 28. Dito naman is 60, 20, 20. Or pwede mo siyang i-inverse. No? Start ka dito sa bottom to the top. 40, 40, 20. Or pwedeng 20, 40, 40. Just follow all of the margin that is indicated below. So ganun kaganda guys ang risk management tool na to. Kasi at the end of the day, our loss will always sit around $30 to $50. Never na siyang lalagpas na higit dun. At ang pinakamaganda dito, we always get the best price. Now, ano bang meron dito sa price level analyzer? Bakit meron tayong ganyan? For example, we do our technical analysis. The market went down. And then, ang gagawin mo lang guys is you will find a range na kung saan obvious na gusto mo mag-entry. For example, this will be our range na dito tayo mag-start. And then, ang stop loss natin is right somewhere here. So, ito yung magiging SL natin. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito guys sa scenario na yan is first is you will input the price range. Ayan, dito sa red part. Ayan. Pakopyahin natin yung price range. Una is 37. Dito. 37. And then next will be our stop loss of this one. Yeah. So, automatically guys, if you are doing three-way entry, we have 3 entry methods na pwede nyong gawin. The first one is the gun level. So sa gun level, ang first entry natin is 40.6684. So siya na yung magme-measure niyan guys. Na ibig sabihin yan, 20% pullback si market. Diyan tayo unang entry natin. 40, 0.406684. So ito yung first entry natin. Napakaganda ng entry. Now, the second entry is the 50% level ng market. So, kopyahin lang natin to siya. Copy natin yan and then maglagay lang din tayo nito. And then, i-paste natin yung coordinates. So, this will be our second entry. And then next, is itong 80% ni market, movement niya. And then, i-copy mo lang siya. So, this will be our third entry. Okay, na-measure na natin, no? This is 20% pullback of the market. Now, this is 20% pullback of the market. This is 50% pullback of the market. Now, this is 80% pullback of the market. So, that is the gun levels. Base yan siya dito sa gun square, no? Dito yan siya nakabase. And if we are going to measure on both ends ng mga levels na yan, na nag-work yan sila. They sit well together. Dito yung 50% level sa gitna. and dito naman yung 80% level sa part na to. So that's why guys, napakaganda nito sundan itong mga levels na yun. Now next will be Fibonacci. Sa Fibonacci naman, ito daw yung magiging entry natin. First is 449, which is ito yung 50% level na yan. Now next will be the 618. So ita-type mo dito 618. So this will be the second entry, and then the third entry is ito. So ganito yung magiging entry ng Fibonacci. So ang mineasure dito na Fibonacci guys is ito siya na base siya sa stop loss ng Fibonacci. Pero kung gusto mo maging perfect yung Fib mo, so you extend this one, and then ito yung magiging Fib level mo. So ang gagawin mo lang dito guys, from here, no? And then dito sa top. Ayan. And then i-copy mo lang to siya. Copy mo lang yan. Gusto mo siya ilagay sa price range. And then dito naman sa second, i-copy mo din to. Copy and then paste. So automatically, no, siya na magka-calculate where Fibonacci levels you can enter. And that is really cool. That is really cool. Next will be the Phoenix Fibonacci. So I have a tutorial how it works. So ang Phoenix Fibonacci guys, na iba yung mga levels na sinusundan natin. So we tend to focus more on perfection dito sa part na to. So for example, hanap lang tayo ng obvious na perfect entry. No? For example, right here, we have a huge swing high in the market. So kukunin mo siya, and then down to dito sa 0.13. Okay, dyan dito sa 0.13, and then ang gagawin mo na lang, copyhin mo tong price number 1, copy mo siya dito. No, so I think that's not it. Ulitin natin. Lagyan mo na lang dito ng line sa 0.13, and then we will copy this part. Copy natin to, and then i-paste mo siya dito. So based dito sa Fibonacci, sa Phoenix Fibonacci natin, we will enter in 30, 42, 78. So ang gagawin mo na lang guys, no? Ang gagawin mo na lang is una, i-copy mo to siya. This will be your first entry. Ayan. 30.78. Ba't tayo nasa taas? I think baliktad na. Baliktarin natin siya. Baliktarin natin. Dito yung isa. And then yung isa naman sa 31. Kopyahin ko lang to. Ayan. Ayun. So mas clear na dito, binaliktad natin. So our first entry is 28,449 right here. Kopyahin mo lang yan. 28,449. And then next will be 28,116. This will be your second entry. And then next will be 27,911. Okay. So based sa risk management mo, kung 3-way entry ka, pwedeng 33, 33, 34, or pwedeng 20, 20, 60. Pwedeng 60, 20, 20%. So ikaw yung magdi-decide guys, no? Depende sa strategy mo. And next will be the market entry, no? Of course, binigyan ko lang siya ng konting pullback na 10%, 20%, and 30% pullback. So kung magma-market entry ka, for example, right here, wait ka lang ng 10% pullback na bumagsak siya konti, diyan ka na mag-enter. So napakaganda guys nitong ultimate entry management tool, no? Hindi siya mahirap kasi nga actually kahit dito nga sa mga price level analyzer, no, kahit hindi mo na yan isipin mo na lang tong two-way entry. Siguro kung ako magte-trade, for example lang mag-alert trading ako, nag-enter ako diyan. So what I'm going to do is I will just put my stop loss right here above. Okay, and then isulat ko siya, yung stop loss natin. Around 3% yung SL natin. So kung magto two-way entry ako, ang gagawin ko lang 30-70%, this one. So, on my first entry dito, maglalagay lang ako dyan ng $30. $30. And then, when the market went up, no, umangat siya konti, ilalagay ko na yung $46 dito. So, kung titingnan mo, mas maganda yung naging trade natin. Mas naging profitable compare dito, ang risk to reward ratio mo lang dyan is napakaliit lang. But when you are able to grab this position dito sa taas, ang risk to reward ratio mo is bigger than the usual. So that's why I really want to use Ultimate Entry Management Tool. Kasi, of course, I have price level analyzer. No? I know what range I'm looking at saan babalik sa market. Pero kahit hindi ko nagamitin to si price level analyzer, I'm already good with dividing my overall capital and what order value should I follow and what margin should I trade with. So that's why, at maganda dito, hindi tayo malulos ng exactly $50 kasi kung nilagay mo yung buong $66 dito guys, sa mismong entry na to, your loss will be exactly $50. But because we are able to dollar cost average into the previous swing high or dito sa pullback na to, ang magiging loss mo lang dyan is not $50 but below that one. It could be $20 or $30. So that is the power of risk management. Ayun, I hope you understand this tool. Kasi itong tool na yan will greatly benefit you na hindi kayo matalo ng sobra-sobra. It will always stay the same. At yung order value na yan na mathematical formula will be so much easy. So dito sa leverage is gayahin nyo lang. Kung times 15 leverage ka, dapat sa order value will still be 15 leverage, no? And once na lumago na yung capital mo, let's say naging $1,300 ka, edi baguhin mo din siya dyan. You can use the price level analyzer or you can just trade immediately with this approach. So yun lang guys, no? Maraming salamat. Hopefully that you enjoyed this video and I hope na magamit nyo to someday itong mga tools natin. Maraming salamat.